Here we are, Sunday morning, trying to read the papers, and guess what happened? Somebody stole some. I guess he's gonna go look for a job. Isaac, 11 months old, are you going somewhere? 17th of November.
Yeah.
Oh, here he goes.
Going up. Hi, buddy.
Are you silly?
Yeah. You love the papers. Are you a newspaper man too? Isaac. Hi, buddy. Ah, here he comes. Here he comes. Are you gonna come get me? Isaac. Uh-oh, you lost it. Nom, 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 nom. You're so silly.